Hello, welcome. I'm Zubair and you are watching Techy Matter. Sometimes we need to write down many small things. It could be a shopping list, medicine list, or a personal note from you. Today what I'm going to tell about is Samsung Note. You know that Samsung Note is a very old application which comes with every Samsung phones, like I'm using Samsung J6 Android 10. In some devices it's called Memo and in others it's known as Notes. So let's see what's in it. Okay, you can see the Samsung Notes app. I'm opening it. Okay, now you can see my notes which I have made. One is my temporary shopping list. Second one is my new post. I prepared it for my social media. And third one is my personal note which I want to keep safe in my phone. So first we will see how to make shopping list. I'm tapping on plus sign to make note. Here you see title and notes. I'm making shopping list, so I'm writing it as shopping list as per notes. Now I'm adding items which I have to buy. Here one thing you need to know that if you want to change the size of a sentence or word, just select that sentence or word and then tap here and select the size. See, I want to keep default. Okay, now if you wanted to move center, then just tap here, select center, that's it. I also keep it default. Okay, let's add some medicine names. One thing, these names are not real. Okay, making it large again. You can customize it as you want. If you want it to bold, then just tap on B sign for bold, and if you want it to underline, then just tap on U sign. See, like this. Okay, now if you want to color your text, then just click on this T sign and choose your favorite color from too many color palettes. You can adjust the color here. Okay, what I'm going to show you now is the best part of this application is checkbox option. That's why I use Samsung Notes every time, because sometimes it happens that after buying a lot of things you may feel like you haven't bought an item from the top of the list and you check again. It's really boring, but this can help you a lot. So let's see how it works. So for this you have to just click on a line which you want to use checkbox and then click on this checkbox icon and see a checkbox appear. So now we are going to see the main part of this checkbox. Suppose you bought an item but you can't cut it off from the list because you don't have a pen with you, but now you don't need a pen. What you have to do is just tap on checkbox of the line which you want to cut. That's it. Oh, it's really nice. And the other thing is you can use number or bullet instead of this checkbox. What you have to do is just tap on these two number and bullet sign. That's it. Okay, now we are going to add some cooking items by the same way. Now, one thing is, if you add checkbox first, then you don't have to add it again and again. So what you have to do is just click on enter, that's it, because it will be applied automatically. It's like I'm adding some subcategory. And I'm going to add some color to it. Another thing is, if you wanted to make italic, then just tap on this I button, and if you don't want, then just tap on this here back arrow key to undo it. Okay, now we are going to see how you can use your finger as a pen. So to do that, you have to click on this icon up here. Now we can see some necessary tools under here. In the first one, you can add your favorite pen or pencils with different brush sizes. And this second one is the main tool, where you can choose your brush sizes, pen, pencils, or color you want to apply. Like I'm writing something, I'm changing the color. Now I'm going to show you an interesting thing, which is how you can change a single part of a letter's color. For that, you have to just go to color palette, then choose a color and select the part you want to change. That's it. See? It's nice. You can also change the background or page color. For that, you have to just tap on this square icon and then choose your favorite background. That's it. Okay, now we're going to see how eraser tool work. For that, you have to just tap on eraser sign and then choose the area you want to erase. You can also change erasing mode. For that, you have to just tap on eraser icon, and here, see, you can erase by line or you can erase the whole area, and also you can adjust the brush size. Just see here, you can adjust the size by tapping on slider. Okay, now I'm showing you my new post which I made for my social media. If you love music, then you can also save your lyrics here. Okay, now I will show you how you can import any image, voice files of your own, any of your favorite music. For that, you have to just click on this clip icon here and then choose any of your favorite music, voice files or image from your gallery or my files. Now I'm choosing my logo image of my channel. If you want, you can write something like you write in your diary. For example, your life story. Okay, now if you want to save it, just click on save here. That's it, it will be saved. Now if you want to export your story as a PDF files or other formats like image files, text files, Microsoft Word document or Samsung's default note, so for that you have to just click on these three dots up here and then choose your favorite format. That's it. If you want to delete any note, just tap and long press on a note and then select delete. But you see an option appear which is move to recycle bin. You can find it in settings. You can use it for safety, like if you delete any important note, you can restore it from there. I'm in recycle bin folder now. To open this folder, you have to swipe from left to right on a display, then you can find it there. Now to restore any note, just long press on a note and select, then tap on restore. That's it. If you want to empty recycle bin, then just tap on empty and then tap on empty recycle bin. That's it. Okay, I'm in a category. See here my notes which I have moved. You can move your notes from one to another category. To do that, long press, select notes, click to move and choose category you want to move. Or you can add new category. To do that, add category and give it a name, then choose color for your category icon. That's it. Categories are moved. So let's check them. Under here in my diary, see, they are here. You can have all your categories here and can manage like change color, rename or delete from manage categories. Wait, what about security? Yes, if you have private notes like diaries and you don't want others to know that, then you can keep them secret by using password or fingerprints. Oh, one thing, please subscribe my channel so you don't miss my new upcoming videos. So let's see how to log with password. What you have to do is tap and long press on a note, select notes, then click to lock here and it will be locked. Is that easy? Yes, can you see here an icon? It means it's locked. I'm opening it. See, it needs my fingerprint or password. No one can open it except you. One thing here, if you already have fingerprint added with your lock screen, then you can use it. Otherwise, you have to add it in phone's lock screen setting. And for password, you have to click on this three line here or swipe right, then click to settings icon up here and click on lock notes and use password. Enable fingerprint if you want to use both. Okay, that's all folks. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. If you like, hit the like button, share with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, be safe.